Introducing the Multoc 10-in-1 Multifunctional EDC Tool Pen, an essential gadget for anyone who values versatility in a compact form. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday carry users, this tool pen combines 10 functions in one sleek, easy-to-carry package. Featuring a high-quality pen for writing, it also includes a screwdriver, window breaker, bottle opener, and built-in flashlight to handle a range of tasks. Whether you're working on a project, navigating outdoor challenges, or in an emergency situation, this tool pen covers all the bases. Discover a new level of comfort with the Sururu Pillow P17, designed to provide an unmatched sleeping experience. This customized pillow features a unique 17-pocket design that adapts to your neck and head, ensuring superior support. The breathable Clima self-control system regulates temperature, keeping you cool throughout the night. A carefully crafted C-curve neck support aligns with your spine, offering optimal relaxation and reducing neck strain. The cool gel memory foam conforms to your body's shape, providing pressure relief while enhancing comfort. Gaming excellence now fits in the palm of your hand. The Lenovo Legion Go S rewrites the rules with a handheld device that balances raw power and versatility. Whether you're posted up on the couch or deep into a cross-country trip, this compact gaming machine transforms anywhere into a battleground. Fueled by AMD Ryzen Z2 Go or Z1 Extreme platforms, the Legion Go S delivers the kind of performance usually reserved for full-sized rigs. It rips through demanding titles without stutter, heat, or compromise. The Fantic T1 Max Cordless Soldering Iron Kit is a versatile and efficient tool designed for precision soldering tasks. With a rapid 7-second heat-up time, it reaches temperatures ranging from 390 degrees Fahrenheit to 840 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for quick and efficient soldering across various materials. Forget the hunt for the perfect pair of trees. With the Animaka portable hammock stand, you bring comfort wherever you set foot, be it sun-baked shores, rugged trails, or your own backyard. Designed to be as adventurous as you are, this stand unfolds into instant relaxation with its intuitive snap-fold system. In just seconds, you're lounging without tools, knots, or frustration. Whether you're reading under the sun or stargazing at night, you control your position with precision. Step beyond conventional instruments with a design built for fluid creativity and portable performance. This is not just a tool, it's a gateway to musical spontaneity, where your touch becomes the music. Glide across the responsive fingerboard to arpeggiate, tap to unleash chords, or shift between 7 and 21 chord modes with precision. Every interaction is intuitive, with customizable mapping that lets you tailor the fingerboard to your playstyle. Carrying meals to work should be simple, smart, and space-saving. And that's exactly what the VLB Smart Vertical Lunchbox delivers. Designed for professionals and busy individuals, this lunchbox stands upright to maximize your bag space while keeping your meals organized. With a quick flip, it transforms from vertical to horizontal, offering flexible mealtime arrangements wherever you are. The VLB features removable food containers, giving you easy access to your lunch without any hassle. Imagine waking up to the cleanest water your home has ever known. Water that hasn't touched a truck, bottle, or municipal pipe. This advanced countertop filtration system delivers up to 2.5 gallons of revitalizing alkalized water every single day. Drawing inspiration from NASA technology, the unit combines a proprietary water filter with a double-layer air filtration system that uses carbon felt pre-filtering and twin UVC sterilization chambers for unmatched purification. Lightweight doesn't have to mean limited, and the foldable origami mouse proves it. Built with precision and minimalism in mind, this portable powerhouse weighs in at under 1.41 ounces, making it one of the lightest full-function mice in its category. It's designed to vanish into your travel kit or work bag with zero bulk, then snap into form with a satisfying fold for instant readiness. No more awkward fits or cramped corners. PetLux 5.3 brings true comfort and space to your cat's daily routine. Built for larger breeds and multi-cat households, it redefines what a litter box should be. The days of scooping, scrubbing, and deodorizing are over. This drum-based system offers a massive 100 liters of space with an 18.9-inch inner diameter, ideal for cats over 30 pounds. Mornings feel richer when your kitchen holds a tool that treats each slice of bread like a work of art. Designed with groundbreaking innovation, the Balmuda. The Toaster Pro elevates toasting into an experience of flavor and texture. Instead of using dry heat alone, it begins with a delicate pour of 5 cubic centimeters of water. This water transforms into steam, wrapping your bread in a gentle mist that protects moisture inside while creating a beautifully crisp exterior. Whether you're gearing up for a weekend hike, a late-night campsite jam, or unexpected roadside repairs, the Flamp U1 is engineered to handle it all, combining cutting-edge illumination with rugged audio performance in one compact EDC essential. Built for adventurers who value versatility without compromise, this all-in-one flashlight and Bluetooth speaker redefines how you prepare for the unknown. With a blazing 2,300 lumen main beam and a secondary adjustable light, visibility never takes a back seat. Designed for maximum efficiency in a minimal form, the Gravity Magriel light merges durability with everyday utility. Whether you're navigating the outdoors, managing daily commutes, or working hands-on, this retractable reel offers just the right balance of strength and function without weighing you down. Weighing just 5.2 ounces, it remains incredibly light while handling loads up to the same amount, ideal for keys, tools, or gadgets. A breath of crisp, cool air is never far away with this powerful unit delivering up to 10,000 BTU per hour of cooling strength. Whether braving outdoor heat or seeking refuge in a sun-soaked room, it brings immediate relief with a temperature range adjustable between 62.6 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed to fit seamlessly into windows or to operate effortlessly in outdoor spaces. Mornings begin smoother when every tool you need is in one sleek device. Kitchi Hub transforms your countertop into a command center with 8 precision-driven features engineered for efficiency and elegance. The high-torque coffee grinder delivers consistent results. Toss in whole spices, and the grinder adjusts to bring out bold aromas and flavors with a single tap. Introducing the UNG self-powered purifying showerhead, a revolutionary innovation in personal care. This advanced showerhead eliminates the need for filters, harnessing the natural flow of water to purify it with every use. Experience cleaner and smoother water that not only improves the quality of your shower, but also benefits your hair and skin. The UNG showerhead's water-saving technology ensures efficient usage, reducing waste while maintaining optimal performance. The Samsung NZ6 900TM integrates innovation and style with a cooktop that enhances both performance and design. Offering a powerful 575M32H ventilation system, this hob captures cooking vapors and odors swiftly, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh without the need for a separate hood. This clever design allows for flexible installation, even on an island table, while keeping the air clean and crisp. In a world where communication barriers crumble and creativity flows freely, the Monoease PG2 stands as a revolution in your ears. These aren't just earbuds, they're a portable intelligence hub packed into a sleek, ergonomic design. Built with cutting-edge GPT-4o and DeepSeek R1 AI engines, the Monoease PG2 transforms your listening and speaking experience across borders and platforms. The Birdster 2.5K HD Smart Bird Feeder with camera offers a revolutionary approach to birdwatching. Combining technology and nature, this solar-powered feeder boasts advanced AI capabilities, identifying over 12,000 bird species with exceptional accuracy. The camera, with 2.5K HD resolution, captures stunning footage of your feathered visitors, providing a clear and vibrant view of every detail. Equipped with auto motion detection, it ensures you never miss a moment. The Infinity Tool 2.0 is a powerful solution for anyone who needs an adaptable, high-performance tool at their fingertips. Designed to be durable and flexible, this tool offers a variety of practical uses for both everyday tasks and unexpected challenges. Made with platinum silicone loops that provide excellent grip and flexibility, the Infinity Tool allows you to secure items quickly and efficiently. The stainless steel stud links increase its versatility, ensuring it can handle almost any job you throw its way. The Kindle Scribe offers a seamless combination of digital reading and note-taking in one device, designed for those who seek a streamlined, efficient experience. With its redesigned flush front display and uniform white borders, this 10.2-inch tablet elevates both reading and writing tasks, providing a clear and smooth surface for extensive notes. Whether you are marking up documents or writing in the margins, the Active. This device includes a built-in notebook, allowing you to jot down meeting notes, to-do lists, or personal thoughts. A workspace doesn't need to be static. The Lifespan Ampera Desk Bike fuses movement with productivity, transforming long office hours into active, power-generating sessions. Featuring a 2-inch thick seat made from high-density molded foam and wrapped in breathable fabric, it adapts to a range of heights, from 5 feet 2 inches to 6 feet 5 inches, thanks to a pneumatic lever. This keeps your posture aligned and your energy levels steady, even during the longest stretches. The Viora dual-head fan is engineered to provide a powerful and versatile cooling solution for any environment. With its innovative dual-head design, it ensures 360-degree airflow, creating a consistent breeze across all areas. The 8,000 mAh battery offers extended operation, keeping you cool for hours without needing constant recharging. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, the fan's portability makes it easy to take anywhere. In a world demanding smarter workspaces, the Cyber One Sit-to-Stand desk redefines performance. Featuring a bold, modern design, it harnesses dual electric motors with a seamless single-cable system to deliver precise power, stability, and effortless adjustability. Shift effortlessly between sitting and standing with a one-touch control panel, adjusting from 29.5 inches to 47 inches with millimeter precision. The COR pump is a powerful and compact solution designed to elevate your kitesurfing experience. With a maximum output of 15 psi, it ensures fast inflation, reducing pump time by up to 50%. Its travel-size design makes it convenient for carrying to your next adventure. Whether you're heading to the beach or the lake, this pump is ideal for all types of kites, paddleboards, and even car tires, offering versatility in one portable package. Shooting games always brought us a rush of excitement, a chance to test our reflexes and accuracy in a safe and controlled environment. But how many of us ever learned the true techniques behind it? Sure, we aimed and fired, but without proper guidance, we were left to rely on instincts and luck. That's where training comes into play. Effective practice isn't just about pulling the trigger, it's about developing the right habits, patience, and focus. Built for those who refuse to leave great sound behind, the amzn Wild Mini brings unmatched performance into rugged terrain. Inspired by retro military design, this Bluetooth speaker delivers bold sound without compromise, making it the perfect partner for weekend trips, solo adventures, and untamed exploration. Wherever your path leads, the amzn Wild Mini unleashes your inner wildness with powerful audio that fills open spaces. The UEFI Cam 3 S330 redefines home security with its advanced features that elevate your surveillance experience. Featuring a remarkable 4K resolution, this camera utilizes UEFI's Starlight technology for unparalleled night vision, offering crystal-clear footage even in low-light settings. It outperforms traditional 1080p cameras, delivering vibrant colors and detailed images during the night. The Lingo Genie L2 is an advanced translation tool designed to bridge communication gaps seamlessly. With support for over 200 languages, it allows users to translate text, voice, and images in real time, making it a powerful companion for global travelers, businesses, and language learners alike. The device integrates smoothly with the Lingo Genie app, offering users a more comprehensive, user-friendly experience. Equipped with AI-powered accuracy, the Lingo Genie L2 ensures precise translations, even for complex phrases. Acasis has crafted a versatile portable SSD hub designed to expand your storage and connectivity options. Equipped with a sleek, compact design, this device offers seamless integration for users needing an efficient way to manage large files across multiple devices. It supports fast data transfer speeds of up to 1,000 megabits per second, ensuring quick and reliable file handling, whether for phones, laptops, or tablets. Rethink your nightstand with a piece that merges form and function into a single sculptural element. The Octagon One Plus portable alarm clock. Light doesn't just save space, it redefines it. Carved from 100% sustainable natural wood, this elegant device stands at the intersection of minimalist design and everyday practicality. It's a portable desk lamp, a gentle wake-up light, and a precision timekeeper all in one compact unit measuring just over 3.5 inches thick. Revolutionize your workspace with Edge Pro, an innovative system designed to enhance productivity and flexibility. This ecosystem of modular components offers seamless integration, allowing you to tailor your workstation to fit your needs perfectly. Whether you're working from home or in a professional environment, Edge Pro's versatility gives you the freedom to design an efficient and personalized setup. The system features a cutting-edge structure that is compatible with MagSafe, making setup and adjustments easy and secure. Bamboo comfort meets minimalist efficiency in this intelligently designed 5-in-1 sleep kit. Built for modern lifestyles, this floor-friendly system is crafted from premium bamboo fabric, soft, breathable, and thermoregulating. Whether you're hosting overnight guests, heading out on a weekend camping trip, or making the most of a compact living space, this kit adapts with ease. Inside, you'll find a cleverly layered setup, a supportive mat, ergonomic pillow, foldable topper, insulating base, and quilted cover.